Okay. So wait. Okay. So Ravindra, you have to do is ये जो सेंटेंस है इसको आपको बोलना है। पहली बार जब बोलेंगे धीरे करके बोलना है, ठीक है?
जी मैम।
और सेकेंड टाइम जब आप बोलेंगे तो फास्ट फास्ट बोलना है 3 बार, ठीक है?
ओके।
वेट अ
फॉर
मिनट।
सीरियस फ्रेंड,
ओके, स्टार्ट।
फॉर फ्यूरियस
फ्यूरियस फ्रेंड्स,
फ्रेंड्स, thoughts
यस,
for the phone,
ओके,
we
नाउ फास्ट,
surely
नाउ फास्ट फास्ट, दिस सेंटेंस यू से फास्ट फास्ट।
सेम हुई मैम।
हाँ।
For furious friends fought for the phone.
Okay, I'm telling it. Okay, listen. Four furious friends fought for the phone. Four furious friends fought for the phone. In that way, 3 times.
Furious friends fought for the phone. Four furious friends fought for the phone.
Yes. Okay. Now Vinod. Second one.
We surely shall see the sunshine soon. We
Okay.
surely see the sun shine soon. We surely shall see the sunshine soon.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Shailendra. The third one.
Busy baker,
Alright.
Busy. Okay, I'm telling you. Busy bakers baked buttery buns in Bengaluru.
Busy bakers, baker battery burn in Bangalore.
Okay,
Busy
say it first.
fast. Ban in Bangalore.
Okay.
Busy baker baked batter busy buns in Bangalore.
It is a mistake. So you have to do the first one. First wala kijiye. Four furious friends fought for the phone.
Four furious friend fought for the phone. Four furious friend fought the phone. Four furious friend fought for the phone.
Okay. So you need a practice. Okay, Shailendra and
Yes.
Ravinder also. You both need a practice in it. It's very compulsory when you want to be fluent in English. All right. Okay, Jyoti. Jyoti, are you there? Unmute yourself. Jyoti.
Hello.
On your video.
I can't.
Okay, it's all right. So now, would you like to participate?
Yes.
Do the second one. We surely shall see the sunshine soon.
We surely shall see the sunshine soon. We surely shall see the sunshine soon. We surely shall see the sunshine soon.
Okay, very nice. So who is left? I think everybody has completed. We feel when we do this exercise before one, we feel that why are you doing this? What is the necessity? But it is one of the most important ingredients of learning English. All right. So now we will go to the next one. Okay, there are many contestants. Cylinder, iPhone 17 Pro. Could you unmute yourself? Vivo. Yes, unmute yourself. Otherwise, how will you participate in it? Or else I have to go to the next slide. Okay. So now coming to the second one. Now, second one is very interesting. I will give you these words. And you can see in bracket that words you cannot use in the sentence. जैसे कि एप्पल हो गया, आप अगर एप्पल से सेंटेंस बनाओगे तो आप फ्रूट, रेड, ईट ये सब नहीं यूज कर सकते. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? विनोद, रविंद्र एंड शैलेंद्र, ज्योति.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So if you are making sentence with teacher, you will not use school, student, teach. All right. If you are making sentence with mobile, you will not use call, message, or phone. And if you are making sentence with table, you will not use chair, read, write, books. I'm making a sentence with apple, okay? For your reference. Apples are very costly nowadays. तो इसमें ना तो मैंने फ्रूट यूज किया, ना तो रेड यूज किया, ना तो ईट यूज किया. ठीक है? तो अभी हम शुरू करेंगे विनोद से. ओके विनोद, स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन, एप्पल.
Apple is a most famous company
Very
in the
nice.
mobile.
And teacher?
And without teacher, none of the student can make their career.
No student. Don't use school or student or teach.
Or everybody. In a
Make a sentence again.
yes, ma'am.
Make a sentence again with teacher. Come again.
Everybody.
Okay. Mobile phone?
Mobile is very important to everyone for
Oh.
connecting or sharing our messages.
Very nice. Table? Table.
Table has other word, that is chart. From that we can teach mathematics.
So your favorite subject is mathematics, that means. Okay, Shailendra, now it's your turn.
Apple is very useful fruit.
Okay, teacher.
Sorry. Useful for every person.
Okay, next teacher.
Teacher.
Yeah. Come on, it's so easy. Teacher. Okay, mobile phone.
Mobile phone is very useful for one person to another person call. Easy.
Okay. Okay,
And,
very nice trial.
It's not good for every person.
Okay, table.
Table. I sit in chair with table.
Okay, now I want to make you correct. I want to correct you. In नहीं होगा. आप क्या चेयर के अंदर बैठते हो? नहीं, चेयर के ऊपर बैठते हो, right?
Chair के
So, on the chair.
on the
All
chair
right? Yes.
with table.
Okay, very nice. Try with teacher. Last try.
Teachers teach me for all subjects.
So this one is the wrong sentence because teach is already there. Okay. So Jyoti, are you there, Jyoti? Okay, Ravinder, make sentence with apple.
एप्पल फ्रूट के बारे में
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन फ्रूट रेड ईट नहीं बोल सकते सेंटेंस में.
Apple is
Say.
I don't know.
So try. If you don't try, how it will be? If it is wrong, no. See, I have corrected Sailendra, right? Sailendra was wrong. Even I'll correct you. So try.
Apple is smartphone.
Okay.
Uh,
Teacher?
टीचर के बारे में बोलना है.
हाँ. लेकिन स्कूल, स्टूडेंट और टीच यूज नहीं कर सकते.
कोई थॉट नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. ज्योति? Okay. So
Hello.
now, yeah, Jyoti, you can make sentences with apple.
An apple is a sweet fruit.
Okay. But fruit, you cannot use fruit. Read and eat.
Okay. Acha. Um, without fruit,
हाँ,
मतलब
read
apple
and eat.
company. An
हाँ, कंपनी के बारे में भी बोल सकते हैं.
apple is a very nice company.
Okay. Teacher?
Teacher is a special guide.
Okay, very nice. Mobile phone?
Mm, mobile phone
फोन यूज मत
is
कीजिए, ठीक है? सिर्फ मोबाइल यूज कीजिए.
अच्छा.
मोबाइल?
हाँ. Mobile very necessary
Yes, mobile is very
gadget.
necessary. Finish. Yeah, gadget. Table?
Table, that table is very big.
Okay, very nice. So, Jyoti, you have not introduced yourself. Can I know about you? Like, what do you do
I'm from
and where do you
Nasik.
live? Okay. And you are
I'm
a,
from Nasik.
and what do you do?
I'm a business
Yes.
shop है मेरा.
Okay, you have your own business, right? So it's a good
Own
thing.
business.
Okay, so have you attended yesterday's session, Jyoti?
Half session. Actually मैं
तो
hospitalized हूँ.
आप hospitalized थे?
हाँ. मतलब अभी भी मैं रूम में हूँ, हॉस्पिटल
Okay.
में हूँ.
I
तो जितना अटेंड
appreciate
हो
it.
सकता है उतना मैं.
I'm appreciating it that कोई तो
Thank
समय
you.
रहते हुए भी आते नहीं, but in this situation also you're attending, so it's very nice. Thank you, ma'am.
I have a stomach infection. So
Okay. So this all are very common, no,
severe.
nowadays because of
हाँ,
rainy
severe
season.
stomach है पानी से. हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay, Rupa, unmute yourself, Rupa. हाँ, रूपा इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए खुद को थोड़ा. आप कहाँ से हो, क्या करते हो? नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है आपका वॉइस. हाँ, अभी बोलिए. नहीं, आपका वॉइस अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं है.
हेलो.
हाँ, अभी क्लियर है. हाँ, बोलिए.
हाँ मैम, मैं कोलकाता से हूँ. हाउस वाइफ
अच्छा.
है.
ओके, इट्स ऑल राइट.
साइकोलॉजी में हम साइकोलॉजी में डिप्लोमा कोर्स कर रही है. हिंदी बहुत अच्छा नहीं, मैं बंगाली हूँ, इसलिए बांग्ला मुझे अच्छा आता है.
English, we need English. Okay. Yes, I am from
कोलकाता.
yes.
I am from Kolkata.
Yes, and I am a homemaker.
I am a homemaker. Okay.
Yeah. So you can also say home engineer. Without you, the home will not work, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that way you can say many things, okay, of your choice. Okay. So Rupa, now you have to play a game.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can see here, apple,
Apple diye. Okay.
teacher, mobile phone, table, right? But in bracket, I have given some words like fruit, red, eat. So when you make sentence with apple, you cannot use fruit, red, and eat.
Okay.
So make a sentence.
The apple is sweet and juicy.
Okay. And teacher?
My teacher is very kind.
Very nice. Mobile. Do not use phone.
Mobile. My mobile is new.
Very nice. Table?
Table. The book is on the table.
Very nice. Okay. So in tongue twister, Vinod has got the first prize. He was very good at it. Okay. And in this fluency test, I feel Rupa was very fast. So Rupa has got the first prize. So please clap for them, because it is a fluency session and you all are participating actively, I must say. Okay. Abhi, there is one thing that you can see on your screen is this cake. Okay. So is this a very decorative cake or a very simple cake? सबका आंसर चाहिए.
It's simple cake.
ठीक है. तो इस सिंपल केक हम घर में भी बना सकते हैं.
Yes.
थोड़ा प्रोसेस पता हो, एक प्रेशर कुकर में भी कर सकते हैं, ओवन नहीं होने से प्रेशर कुकर से भी कर सकते हैं, और बहुत सामान्य चीजें लगेगा, एंड वेरी सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, राइट? एंड वी डोंट नीड अ प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग आल्सो. सो नाउ आवर इंग्लिश इज एट दिस स्टेज. We know you all have participated. You have participated in tongue twister. You have participated in make sentences. So our level is this. Now, can we make this type of cake at home? Is it possible without a proper training and anything?
No.
Because like for this, we need a proper training from a proper mentor or trainer. Then we can make this type of cake, right? So to become this type of cake, what do you need? You need practice, consistency, and confidence. Okay. So practice means you have to practice speaking English as more as you can. भले ही wrong हो, मैं नहीं कहती कि आप correct बोलिए, wrong बोलिए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मिस्टेक्स कीजिए लेकिन बोलिए. प्रैक्टिस और कंसिस्टेंसी मतलब आज कर लिए, कल लगा कि अरे छोड़ो 2 दिन बाद करेंगे, देखा जाएगा, ये सब नहीं. इन डेली बेसिस you try to find out some time for yourself, 10 to 15 minutes, and practice. And then when you do these two things, practice और consistency अगर रहेगा, तो confidence अपने आप आ जाएगा. आप जब इस समय प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे मेरे साथ, okay, when you were practicing with me, so did you see that you all were not scared, you all were enjoying the activity, right? Because we have been doing one after the other, right? And it is making you very easy to tackle it. So we have to become this designer cake, and I hope you all to see in this space after a few months. Will you all be in this cake, like this cake? How many of you want to be in this cake? First raise your hands. Vinod is already raising. And what about others? Okay, Sailendra also. Okay. What about Rupa and Jyoti? Oh, okay. Now, see this. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay. So this is a time travel problem. अच्छी तरह से सुनिएगा, ठीक है? कि आप गलती से 2050 में चले गए. You went to 2050. ठीक है? और वहां पे आपको मीन्स 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछा गया है कि अगर आप जाएंगे 2050 में. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्या चीज आपको बहुत शॉक करेगा? यू विल बी शॉक टू सी if you go to this 2050. Okay, and there are some pictures given. You can take the help of that pictures also, or you can create your own. मैंने कहा था ना लेफ्ट और राइट ब्रेन, अभी दोनों का इस्तेमाल करना है. ठीक है? अभी 2 सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, what has disappeared or does not exist anymore? क्या ऐसा चीज है जो अभी नहीं है, मीन्स 2050 में आपको नहीं मिलेगा, जो अभी हम देख सकते हैं लेकिन फ्यूचर में जाके हमें नहीं मिलेगा, वो चीज गायब हो जाएगा दुनिया से. देन नंबर 3, व्हाट हैज
नंबर हम
बिकम,
सेव कर ले रहे हैं, यही है ना 758 वाला.
वेट अ मिनट. ओके, देन थर्ड इज व्हाट हैज बिकम वेरी एक्सपेंसिव इन 2050. मीन्स क्या ज्यादा, मीन्स लाइक अभी कौन सा चीज ऐसा हो गया कि बहुत उसका प्राइस बढ़ गया है. It's very hard to buy. Okay, so इन तीनों का जो क्वेश्चन है, ये तीनों का आंसर आप लिखिए. Write it down in your copy. I'm giving you some time, 10 minutes time. Please do write it down. Then I will ask one by one. Rupa, have you understood? Jyoti, did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jyoti? Are you there, Jyoti? iPhone 17 Pro, what's your name? So we can see 2 or 3 contestants who are not speaking at all. So today's time will get wasted. You will not be able to participate then.
एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर रिपीट करो.
कौन सा? Number 1.
एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर रिपीट.
All the questions? Okay.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Now, first question is what shocked you the most? वहां पे जाके क्या देख के आपको बहुत शॉक लगा? क्या ऐसा देखा अजीबो गरीब के आपको बहुत शॉक लगा? ठीक है. और नंबर 2 है, वहां पे जाने के बाद कौन सा चीज आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था जो अभी है हमारे पास लेकिन फ्यूचर में जाके वो नहीं रहेगा, आपको फील जो होता है. एंड नंबर 3, व्हाट हैज,
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन रिपीट करो.
सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है कि आप जब गए वहां पे, ठीक है, वहां पे जाने के बाद अभी जो हमारे पास जो भी चीजें हैं ना अभी 2026 में, आप 2050 में जाने के बाद क्या चीज आपको नहीं नजर आ रहा है, गायब हो चुका है दुनिया से?
सेकंड क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ये है. और थर्ड क्वेश्चन है आपका कि प्राइस किसका बहुत बढ़ गया है, किस चीज का प्राइस बहुत बढ़ गया है. तो ये सब आंसर लिखने के बाद आपको क्यों भी लिखना पड़ेगा, आपके आंसर का क्यों भी होना चाहिए. क्यों आप शॉक हो गए, क्या डिसअपियर क्या हुआ, और क्यों आपको लगता है कि वो डिसअपियर हो गया, मीन्स वो गुम गया. और नंबर 3, कौन किसका प्राइस बढ़ गया और आपको क्यों लगता है कि प्राइस बढ़ गया है उस चीज का. और अगर आप लोग खुद से बना नहीं पा रहे तो पिक्चर्स भी दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्लूज मिल जाएंगे. और खुद से अगर बनाएंगे तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स मिलेगा फ्लुएंसी में. इतना लॉजिकली सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, इमेजिनेटिवली सोचिए, एकदम क्रिएटिवली. रूपा, understood the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
You have understood the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jyoti. Okay. iPhone 17 Pro. Speak
Hello,
something.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I have been calling you from that time. What is your
Yes,
name?
ma'am. My name is Yusuf. I'm from Varanasi.
Okay, Yusuf. You have submitted your this assignment, right?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay. So, can you tell me about yourself?
Ma'am, my name is Muhammad Yusuf Siraj. I
Okay.
am 33 years old.
Can you on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what do you do by profession?
Ma'am, I am a travel agent.
Okay. So
Yes,
it's a
ma'am.
very heavy duty, isn't it? So
Yes, yes, ma'am.
where are you scattering your business to?
Ma'am,
All over India?
yeah, all over India.
Okay, very nice. So you have a lot of experience, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have
How many
13-year
years?
experience.
Oh my God, you all are like having such a good experience. Somebody is 22, somebody is 21, 13. My God.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, best of luck for your business. And have
Thank.
you understood the question? What I have told
No,
right now?
no, ma'am. I can't listen. What are you saying?
Okay, I'm just sharing it right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this is a time travel problem.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है? तो इसमें एक्सीडेंटली आप 2050 में ट्रेवल कर जाते हो. You went to 2050. So now you have to answer me these three questions. 2050, after you went to 2060 or 50, what shocked you the most? क्या देख के आपको बहुत शॉकिंग लगा? ठीक है? And number two, what has disappeared or does not exist anymore? क्या ऐसा चीज है जो आपको 2050 में नजर नहीं आ रहा है जो अभी है हमारे पास 2026 में? ठीक है? And number three, what has become very expensive in 2050? कौन सा ऐसा चीज है जो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो गया है? तो इन सब का आंसर लिखने के बाद आपको क्यों भी लिखना पड़ेगा. आपने ये आंसर क्यों चूज किया ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग.
Just copy. Copy.
ज्योति.
Hello.
Yes, like, did you listen to the questions?
Yes.
You're writing?
Yes, try कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, अगर राइट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वहां पे तो आपका जो भी आंसर है आप बोल सकते हैं. यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट.
नहीं, मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ आंसर. वैसे क्वेश्चंस मुझे थोड़े टफ लग रहे हैं.
इट इज वेरी इजी. आप पिक्चर देखिए, पिक्चर देखने से वो इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए.
ओके ओके ओके.
Okay, if anybody has completed, you can share your answers. Okay, Vinod, have you completed? Unmute yourself. Unmute. Ravindra, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. ये
Yes.
फर्स्ट का महंगाई,
Okay. So what it will be?
सेकंड
Expensive,
सेकंड
right? Expensive things are
expensive.
making you shocked. Okay, number
Okay.
2,
नंबर 2 मानवता,
मानवता. इंग्लिश में क्या होगा? Humanity.
ह्यूमैनिटी,
Yes.
ह्यूमैनिटी, यस,
So why do you feel humanity will be lost?
लॉस्ट, यस,
क्यों लगता है आपको? मिस हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं, बोलिए.
Yes.
आपको क्यों लग रहा है हिंदी में मिस?
जी, यस, मानवता क्या हो जाएगी कि दिन प्रतिदिन लोग किसी का आदर संस्कार कुछ नहीं करते, 2050 तक क्या हो जाएगा, गायब हो जाएगा.
Yes, very sure. And I must say,
और
this is the first
third
answer I have received, that which is very much different from others. भले ही हिंदी में हो, but अच्छा है आंसर.
जी जी,
ठीक है. Okay, number
थर्ड का
3.
है मैम गोल्ड, गोल्ड,
Gold is expensive now only, and that time that will be more expensive, isn't it? Okay. So, Shailendra, unmute कीजिए.
Yes, madam.
हाँ, बोलिए. English, try to say in English. If you can't, then you can take the help of Hindi. Okay.
मैडम, पिक्चर में जो दिखाया गया है वो आज से 50 साल पहले, 50 साल बाद,
बात.
जो कि बाद ऐसा जरूर होगा, लेकिन शायद वो दिन देखने के लिए हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हो सकते हैं, या वो सिचुएशन नहीं हो सकता है कि
इसीलिए तो मैंने बोला कि आप क्रिएटिवली सोचिए, क्रिएटिवली सोचिए. मीन्स ये रियल ये नहीं है, अनरियल है सब कुछ.
सिर्फ इमेजिन कर सकते हैं.
यस
एआई
यस.
के थ्रू,
ओके,
आज
टेल
के
मी.
टाइम पे एआई के थ्रू बस इमेजिन कर सकते हैं ये ऐसा होगा.
तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या शॉक किया आपको ज्यादा वहां पे जाने के बाद?
कंप्यूटर से डायरेक्ट टच स्क्रीन ये सब आ जाएगा, कि डायरेक्ट कंप्यूटर यूज ना करके डायरेक्ट वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग के थ्रू
वेरी नाइस.
ये सब
AI will be in the upper level.
Yes, madam.
Okay, and secondly, what has disappeared? अभी नहीं रहा, तभी नहीं रहा.
मैडम, पेड़ पौधे गायब हो जाएंगे.
Yes, that is true. It is very much true. Okay, and expensive?
Expensive. हर चीज मैडम महंगाई मिलेगा.
Okay.
इसका क्लियर तो नहीं.
But any one thing specifically you feel that it will be very high cost?
लाइक पेड़ पौधे उस समय नहीं मिलेंगे, पेड़ पौधे खरीद भी नहीं सकते, ऑक्सीजन नहीं खरीद सकते, ये सब चीज वेस्ट नष्ट हो जाएगा. पेट्रोल डीजल जो आज के टाइम पे है, वो उस टाइम पे पेट्रोल डीजल शायद ना हो.
Yes, it is very true. Might be we don't need it. We might travel by some other things. Who knows?
Yes,
right. Okay, Vinod. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलिए.
On what topic?
Yes. What shocked you the most?
About three things. I think day by day there is modernization becoming stronger.
Okay.
Automation also becoming stronger. It may be cost to disappear our regular social culture, and there may be machinery, there may be causes job problem for most of the people.
Very nice answer.
I think in future maybe every person give more importance to the money or wealth rather than their health. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nicely spoken. Okay. Second question. What will disappear? You will not see anymore.
It could not be disappear, but maybe cause a major problem. Due to machinery, there will be a lot of problem of labors.
Yes. Now only we are facing it, right? Many people are like not getting job, or some people are thrown out of the job. Okay. Then third, expensive.
Expensive is our life. Due to this modernization or automation, everybody is rather far from cool and satisfactory life.
Yes.
Natural things may be lost in future.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes, very true. Very nice answers, Vinod. And Ravindra's answers are also good. Maybe it's in Hindi. Shailendra's also, both of you. Like you all are creatively sound, but in Hindi, not in English, right? So I will make it sure if you join my classes to speak in English. Remember, today is your first day, so I have left you. Okay, Jyoti? Jyoti,
Hello?
can you answer? Okay, tell me the first
Hello?
question's answer. Shocked?
Shock, maybe self-driving transport.
Okay. So
शॉक हो सकता है
yes, like there will be no drivers. It will drive itself.
हाँ
Okay, okay.
क्योंकि अभी ऐसे हो रहा है ना ऑलरेडी थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ, like हमें दिक्कत नहीं करना पड़ता, ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत कुछ चीजें हो रहा है, right?
इतना आगे जा सकता है तब तक.
And next, disappeared, जो नहीं रहा.
Environment.
Very true.
Hmm.
What will you see, not see in the environment?
Greenery.
Yes. Now only it's missing, right? In the cities.
Yes.
Can we see? Where are the trees?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Then third, expensive.
Food, water.
Yes. Okay. So Yusuf,
Hmm.
what is your answer? What thing?
Yes.
Okay, just on your video. Yusuf, on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the thing that will shock you?
I will shock is a flying car and
Okay.
almost AI work.
Okay. And what will disappear according to you?
In 2050, greenery almost zero, and uh, every
The greenery, yeah, I accept. Other things, what you feel will not exist anymore?
in animal almost zero also.
Yes. Relationships will not be there because everybody will be busy with their world,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
competing with each other, right? So many
And
things.
yes, ma'am. And job also zero because in 2015 AI will be
Taking its the
yeah
most
take
tragic turn.
tragic. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So expensive, according to you, will be?
Ma'am, first of all, land is very expensive and water also expensive. Almost everything is very expensive because in 2015 world is next level.
Yes. People might go to moon. Who knows?
Sorry, ma'am.
People might go to moon to live in
Yes, yes,
moon.
ma'am. Yeah. Already live
Right.
in moon.
Already they are going,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Okay, Rupa. Are you there, Rupa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Open your video. Tell me. You can tell in English as well as Hindi also if you want. But on your video first. ভিডিওটা অন করো।
হ্যাঁ, অন করেছি ম্যাম।
তাই? হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, এখন আসছে। হ্যাঁ, বলো।
আচ্ছা। Disappearing, ma'am, mean 2050 paper money and landline phone is not exist, ma'am.
Okay. So this will be shocking for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what will be the thing which you will not see anymore?
Not see anymore?
Yes. যে থাকবে না 2050 তে। What are the
Ma'am,
things?
মানুষের
Yes?
ম্যান ভার্সেস মানে মানুষের সঙ্গে মানুষের যে একসাথে কথা বলে না ম্যাম, ইংলিশে আমি বলতে পারছি না ঠিক।
Okay. So you are saying that the relationships between a person,
yes,
between two persons, yes.
2%.
And expensive, according to you?
Fresh water and fresh clean air, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So I got all of your answers and I'm really happy whether it be in Hindi or English. You have tried. All of you have tried. Okay. So this is a very good thing. Since this is a workshop class, so we do not have that much time with us. Okay. After this, you will have your grammar session. All right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now you need to ask something. Anything you all want to ask me? Anybody can ask in Hindi also. No issue. आज का सेशन कैसा लगा वो बोलिए.
It's amazing, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes. So these are the small activities in workshop. We could not bring all together, but how much we can, we have showed it. So this will be our classes where slowly you will start speaking. Today I made you speak, maybe not in English fluently, but somewhat you have tried. Okay. So we rigorously will do this type of training and will make you a perfect speaker. All right. So now I would like Anjana Dubey, our grammar coach, to come into the scenario and take hold of your students, ma'am.
Very wonderful evening to one and all. How are you all, dear super learner?
Hello, ma'am. All good.
Very good evening to everyone.
Ma'am,
You
I
all
just
are
have to say
amazing.
something like for one-to-one session, let us take the timings and then you can continue.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, Ravindra. Like
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to have one-to-one session tomorrow. If you have any kind of issue, problems, you can discuss with us regarding speaking English or our platform you want to know. All right. So tomorrow at what time you can be free for one-to-one session?
Tomorrow.
We can do at the end, no, ma'am?
Actually, like ma'am has said to take after this.
Okay.
So that is why. Ravindra, can you give me any timings of your tomorrow you are free?
Yes, ma'am.
What timings?
Timing 8
Anjana ma'am,
8
just
a.m.
tell them. 8
a.m.
8 a.m.
And yes.
आप लोग जो है 4 से 6 के बीच में अपने 15 मिनट के लिए ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. हम लोग दोनों कोचेस रहेंगे आपके साथ बात करने के लिए. आपका पर्सनल इशू है, जो भी प्रोफेशनल इशू है, जो भी स्पीकिंग इशू है, हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे आपके साथ. ठीक है. आपको क्या नहीं समझ में आता है, कहाँ आपकी वीकनेस है, वी विल टॉक विथ यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. So please give your 15 minutes time to us.
So Ravinder, 4 to 6, what timing will you prefer?
4 से 6.
Only 15 minutes.
15 minutes. 15 minutes only.
4 बजे, 4:15 पे, 4:30 बजे, 4:45 बजे, जितने बजे, 5 बजे आपको जब फ्री टाइम है आप ज्वाइन करिए. अपना टाइम स्लॉट दे दीजिए.
जी मैम.
कितने बजे?
नेक्स्ट कोई और बता दीजिए अपना टाइम.
4 p.m.
Madam, I will ready 1:30 to 2 o'clock.
No, we are asking for 4 to 6.
Okay, you are in office, Ravinder, Shailendra.
Yes, madam.
You want to do in lunch time?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Give him time for between 2 to 2:30.
2.
Okay.
So 2 p.m. I'm making it 2 p.m.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Vinod?
Yes, ma'am.
1-to-1 session? 1-to-1 session?
Same time. I have no problem.
So then we have Jyoti. Jyoti, will you be able to do 1-to-1 session tomorrow? Jyoti. Okay, Rupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both together. Jyoti, your timing?
कल
कल
का टाइमिंग आफ्टरनून में
2:15?
Yeah, only 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. Yes.
Done.
2:15 p.m. Okay. Rupa?
Okay.
Ma'am, 4:30?
4:30. Okay.
Yusuf, what
Yusuf?
about you?
Yes, ma'am. My timing is 5:30 to 6 o'clock around.
Okay, 5:30 I'm putting it. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I have taken it. So you can continue with your grammar classes. We will meet tomorrow.
Okay. So how was your fluency session? Did you all enjoy?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
मजा आया आप लोगों को?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now it's time for grammar. Okay, we will learn grammar. So how do you feel? Do you feel nervous when you speak in English? Or grammar is a boring? What is your opinion about it? Yes, Ravinder, please
Yes.
speak. ग्रामर कैसा लगता है आपको? ग्रामर के बारे में बताइए. ग्रामर क्या है?
मैम इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाऊंगी, हिंदी में.
कोई बात नहीं, आप ट्राई करिए, मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ग्रामर हम संस्कृत में भी यूज करते हैं, हिंदी,
नहीं
ईच एंड
हिंदी में
एवरी
बोल, इंग्लिश
लैंग्वेज.
में नहीं. मैम इंग्लिश में शब्द ही नहीं आ रहे मुंह से. क्या बोलूं?
ग्रामर इज अ बैकबोन ऑफ एवरी लैंग्वेज. बोलिए, ग्रामर इज अ बैकबोन ऑफ एवरी लैंग्वेज, राइट?
ग्रामर इज
बैकबोन ऑफ एवरी लैंग्वेज. क्योंकि हम
Every
बिना
language.
बैकबोन के खड़े नहीं हो सकते हैं ना. वैसे
बैकबोन
ही
है.
हम
यस
कोई भी लैंग्वेज हम बोल नहीं सकते हैं ग्रामर के बिना, राइट? Understand? Yes, well done. Yes, Shailendra, please speak here. What is grammar here?
Grammar is a writing, speaking, everything.
Okay. Yes, what about you, Vinod? What is grammar here?
Grammar is the base of any language.
Okay. Yes.
Without grammar, we can't make any.
Very good. Yes, Jyoti, what about you, dear? Jyoti, are you there? Rupa, what is grammar for you? Rupa, are you there? Yes, Jyoti, speak, dear. What is grammar? Yusuf, please
Grammar,
speak. Yes. बोलिए, जो आपको मन में आ रहा वो बोलिए, कोई इशू नहीं है. यहाँ पे हम किसी को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं, किसी का कुछ आपके ऊपर कोई वो नहीं करेगा कि हंसेगा नहीं कि आप यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए आए हैं, ठीक है? वी विल लर्न हियर. Yes, speak, dear. Jyoti, what is grammar, dear? What is your opinion about grammar? Yes, Rupa, are you there? Yusuf, please speak. What is grammar?
Ma'am,
Look.
grammar is boring for me.
Grammar isn't a boring rule book.
Ma'am,
It's a magic. Yes. Speak, Rupa.
Ma'am, grammar is the main part of English sentence.
Well done. Very good.
Yes. Grammar is grammar. Okay, ma'am. Time.
Okay. No issue, dear. Listen to me. Grammar is a set of rules. Okay. So today I am giving you rules, but in a very different way. Okay. So we will learn grammar with using both the brain. Our left brain is a logical brain and right brain is a magical brain. So for grammar we will use our both brain. You must have heard from sir on day 1. आपने सुना होगा सर को बोलते हुए, ठीक है? Left brain, right brain. Left brain is a logical brain and right brain is a magical brain, right? तो हम ग्रामर के लिए दोनों ब्रेन यूज करेंगे, ठीक है? तो ग्रामर इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल. Today I am giving you rule, but in a very different way. At the end of the session, I will give you 4 golden rules. It is called Brahmastra. So without knowing tense, you will frame your sentence yourself. You yourself. Only you need to pay attention, right? Got it? So be there till end of the session and pay your attention. Please ready with your copy and pen, notebook, okay? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Diary or pen. So how do we speak? Do we speak in letters? No. हम लेटर में बात करते हैं. Yes, Ravinder. Do we speak in letter? I, you. Can you understand this? No. Do we speak in words?
Yes, ma'am. In
Yes,
what?
sometime, very sometime, right? Come, go, sit, like this. But how do we speak then?
In
Anyone?
sentence.
Yes, Vinod, Jyoti, Rup. Yes, very well said, very good. We speak in a sentence. So what is sentence here? What is sentence, Vinod? Yes, would you like to speak? Sentence is a group of words. Okay? So can we frame sentence putting words here and there? No. For that we need a manner. Okay, एक तरीका होना चाहिए सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करने के लिए. उसके लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? शब्द चाहिए. Subject, verb and object. Then we frame sentence in a proper manner. Okay. So how many of you heard about parts of speech? Anyone knows about it? Parts of speech. शब्दों की जातियां. रविंदर उसको बोलते हैं शब्दों की जातियां. Parts
No,
of speech.
yes.
Anyone knows about it? How many parts of speech are there? Yes, Rupa, Jyoti, Yusuf, Sailendra, Vinod. There are 8 kind of part of speech. Sorry? There are 8 kind of parts of speech, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Noun, pronoun,
Verb.
verb, adverb, adjective,
Preposition.
right?
कंजक्शन
Got it? सारे parts of speech important हैं. Can we frame sentence without noun? Who will speak? Yes. Speak, dear. Then how do I know that you are understanding? My screen is visible to you?
यस
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Look, how many prepositions are here? 8 kind of preposition, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Although each parts of speech are important, but there is a one parts of speech which is very, very important. Who would like to speak? हम noun के बिना sentence बना सकते हैं. Can we frame sentence without noun? Yes,
No,
speak,
ma'am.
dear.
No,
No,
ma'am.
dear. We can frame sentence without noun. She like her. There is no noun. Got it? What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, or
Things.
things, right? तो हम सेंटेंस नाउन के बिना सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. वी कैन फ्रेम सेंटेंस विदाउट नाउन. एग्जांपल, शी लाइक हर. ओके. कैन वी फ्रेम सेंटेंस विदाउट प्रोनाउन? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
Ram killed Ravana. Both are noun. Ram and Ravana, both are noun, right? So we can frame sentence without noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, and preposition. But we cannot frame sentence without verb. Okay, that is why verb is very, very important. Who would like to speak? क्या लिखा आपके स्क्रीन में? कौन पढ़ेगा? Yes, Vinod, can you read this? विनोद, आपको स्क्रीन दिख रही है क्या? आप पढ़ेंगे स्क्रीन? विनोद, can you read it? Yes, Shailendra. What is in your screen? Yusuf?
The verb,
Rupa?
the hero of the
द हीरो
sentence.
ऑफ द
Yes,
सेंटेंस
the verb, the hero of the sentence. Have you seen any movie without hero?
No, ma'am.
Yes. When the movie is not possible without hero, in a similar manner, sentence is not possible without verb. That is why verb is a hero of the sentence. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
हम यहाँ पे बुकिश ग्रामर नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, हम न्यूरो ग्रामर पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसमें आप लोगों के माइंड में ये ग्रामर बैठ जाए, आप लोगों का इसका डर हट जाए. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is verb? Why verb is a hero of the sentence? Because without verb we cannot frame a sentence. That is why verb is a hero of the sentence. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me show my another screen. Yes, what is visible on your screen? What is visible on your screen? Bridge.
Bridge and
Below the bridge,
support.
there is a two support. Okay. यदि if I will remove the support, then what will happen? यदि मैं support हटा देती हूँ तो क्या होगा?
Bridge was
Bridge
broken.
will collapse. Bridge जो है ढह जाएगा, right? In the same way, what is visible on your screen? There is a sentence and below the sentence two support of verb. Okay.
Verb.
If I will remove the verb, then what will happen? Sentence will collapse. There is no meaningful sentence. If I will remove the verb, then there is no meaningful sentence, right? If I will say, Ravinder loves pizza, okay. What is Ravinder and pizza are noun, okay. And what is verb? Loves pizza. Love is a verb. If I will remove verb, if I will say Ravinder pizza, so what is meaning of the sentence? Is there any meaning of the sentence?
No, ma'am.
No. So that is why we cannot frame sentence without verb. Got it? Why verb is the hero of the sentence? Yes? Yes, Ravinder, Shailendra, Vinod, Yusuf, Rupa. Got it? Why verb is the hero of the sentence? If I will remove the verb, then there is no meaningful sentence. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Verb is the soul of the sentence, right? As a human being, soul is reciting here. If I will remove the soul, then there is no life. Got it? Yes, everyone, speak, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
No verb, no sentence. Right verb, right sentence. Wrong verb, wrong sentence. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So since the childhood, we have been learning few verb form. Who will speak about it? आप लोगों को पता है कितने verb form होते हैं? हम सब बचपन से जानते हैं. Who will speak? Yes, Vinod, Rupa, Shailendra, Ravindra, Jyoti. How many verb form we have been learning since the childhood? Yes,
Ma'am,
dear, speak. Yes.
one is action verb and
Very good, very good. Let me tell you, we call it V1, V2, V3. Present, past and past participle. Yes, remember? हम बचपन से 3 वर्ब फॉर्म पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? Present, past and past participle. Go, went, gone. Remember? Do, did, done. हम सभी ने पढ़ा है, right? So we have been learning since the childhood. We have been learning 3 verb form: V1, V2, V3. Okay. Look, if I will take example of do verb, present form do, then what will be the past form and what will the past participle of do verb? Who will speak? Yes, Vinod? Jyoti, Rupa? Yes. Do, and what is the past form? Did. And what is the past participle?
done.
Done. Now it's your time to make it note or take a screenshot. Okay. Each and every verb which I am telling you, it is very important. We will use in our framing sentence, right? So present form do, past form did, and past participle done. Okay. If I will take succeed, what is succeed means? To get success. So what is the past form of succeed? Succeed is succeeded, and what is the past participle of succeed is succeeded. Okay. So अब एक चीज ध्यान दीजिए, आपका पहला वाला वर्ब डू में डिड और डन था, यहाँ पे सक्सीडेड और सक्सीडेड है. पास्ट फॉर्म एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आर सेम. क्या डिफरेंस है यहाँ दोनों स्क्रीन में? जब पास्ट फॉर्म एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल सेम होता है, हम इसको बोलते हैं रेगुलर वर्ब. नोट इट डाउन, मेक इट नोट. And when the past form and past participle are different, we called it irregular verb. Yes? Please make a note. Yes, Rupa, Yusuf, Shailendra, Vinod, Ravindra. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look, we have been learning 3 verb form. When we have been learning 3 verb form, present, past and past participle, then we can frame only 3 type of sentences, right?
Yes.
We manage our communication with these V1, V2, V3 verb form. But when we communicate, we come across the word like does, doing, to do. What are they? They are also verb form. Does. She does her homework nicely. She is doing her work. She has to do her work. These are also verb form. For that, I want to invite one amazing family. Would you like to meet this family? Yes, dear, speak. All of you, would you like to speak this family? So we can frame some more verb form so that we can, when we talk about on our daily routine, then we can use these verb form. Okay, we recall these verb form. So for this, I am inviting verb family. So who is the head of your family? Who would like to speak? Yes, बताइए. Who is the head of your family? Yes, Shalin, Yusuf.
My father.
Yes, Rupa, Vinod.
Myself.
Yes. Yes, Jyoti, who is the head of your family? Rupa. Look, most of the family.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Mother
dear, speak.
and father, sister.
Father-in-law.
Father-in-law. Look, most of the family, father, father-in-law, brother, brother-in-law are the head of the family. But in this amazing family, the prettiest mother is the head of the family. Okay, let me show you the another screen. Yes, my screen is visible to you. Yes. I am introducing verb family. Okay. Look, in this amazing family, the prettiest verb is the head of the family. We all are having family. Now we will make this mother verb family. Okay. So being a mother, in her first delivery, she blessed with twins baby. Okay. First name is a present form 1. First baby name is a present form 1. Second is a present form 2. In her second delivery, she deliver a kid named past form. In her third delivery, she deliver a kid named present participle. In her fourth delivery, she deliver a kid named past participle. In her fifth delivery and last delivery, she deliver a kid named infinite form. So my question is to you all, how many family members in this mother verb family? Who would like to speak? Yes, Rupa, Yusuf, Vinod.
5, ma'am.
5. Any more input? Yes, Shailendra, Ravinder.
Yes, ma'am.
How many family members in this family, mother verb family?
Total is
Mother,
6,
father.
ma'am.
6.
Sorry, 6. So
Yes.
do you include your mother or father head of the family in your family member? Not. Why you are forgetting about the mother verb? There is a 7 family member. Count mother verb,
Yes,
present
ma'am.
form 1, present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle and infinite form.
Yes.
How many member? 7 family
7.
member. Yes, take a screenshot of this family, right? Now let me give you the example. Look, take a screenshot of this family, right? So again, I am taking the do verb for the example. It is called base verb, root verb. What we called mother verb, base verb and root verb. Okay. So what is the present form 1 of do verb? It do itself. जैसे हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग में फर्स्ट बेबी जो है कार्बन कॉपी ऑफ द मदर होता है, राइट? Always photocopy of the mother. In the same way, who is speaking. In a same way, verb is also having first baby is a carbon copy of mother. That is why present form 1 is a do only. Okay, right? Understand?
Yes,
What is the
madam.
present form 2? Present form 2 is a does. Why does? When we put, note it down, when we put after the mother verb as, es or ies, then it becomes present form 2. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the past form? We already know about the past form. V2 of the form.
Did.
Yes, past form did. Very good. Do, does, did. What is the present participle? Yes, Rupa, Ravindra, Shailendra, Vinod, Yusuf. Present participle is doing. Okay? Why doing? When we put after the mother verb ing,
Yes, ma'am.
it is called ing form also, right? When we put after the mother verb ing, then it's become present participle. Note it down. Note it down. Please note it down. Okay, what is the past participle? V3 form of the verb. We have already learned it. Done. What is the infinite form? To do. When we put before the mother verb, when we put to, then it's become infinite form. Take a screenshot of this family or note it down. We will use when we will frame our sentence, then we will use it, right? Ravinder, please mute yourself, dear. Ravinder, mute yourself. Okay? Now, please repeat after me. Do, does, did, doing, done, and to do. Okay, 7 family member. When we know about the 3 verb form, then we can frame sentence only 3 type of sentences. Now we come to know about the 7 form of the verb form, right? Now we will frame 7 type of sentences. Got it? Yes, now I am taking another verb which is also very important. It is a have verb, right? Have is also very important verb. It is also a base verb and root verb also. So what is the present form 1 of have? Who will speak? Yes, now you can give the answer. Shailendra?
Has.
What is the have? Very good. Yes, what is the present form 2? Vinod?
Had.
No, dear. Present form 2. When we put as, yes or ies. Has. What is the past form? Had. What is the present participle? Yes, Vinod?
Having.
Rupa?
Having.
Having. Very good. Very good. Having. When we put ing after the mother verb, it's become present participle. What is the past participle? Had itself. V3 form of the verb, right? And what is the infinite form? Who will speak?
To had.
To have. To have. Before the mother verb, when we put to, then it's become infinite form. Got it? So that is why infinite form is to have. Okay? Take a screenshot of this family. This is also a very important family. We will use in our 4 golden rule. Okay?
Yes,
we will use it, this family in 2nd golden rule, right? Now, जैसे हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग में एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं, राइट? इन अ सेम वे वर्ब इज आल्सो हैविंग एक्सेप्शन. ओके, so here be verb is an exception verb. Why it is exception? Who will tell me why it is exception? अभी तक हमने कितने फैमिली मेंबर पढ़े हैं? 7. ठीक है. डू वर्ब में 7 फैमिली मेंबर हैं, हैव वर्ब में 7 फैमिली मेंबर. बस इन दिस amazing family there is a 9 family member. 3 present form and 2 past form. 3 present form and 2 past form. Present form 1, present form 2, present form 3, past form 1, past form 2. Total 9 family member है, इसलिए ये exception verb है. Got it? Make a note of it, right? Be verb is exception verb. First reason is because it is a 9 family member, right? And second reason, let me show you. What is the present form 1 of be verb? Anyone? Any idea?
Am.
No, dear. Is.
Okay, ma'am. Is.
Present form 1 is. Okay. Present form 2 is am. Present form 3 is
Are.
are. And what is the past form? Who would like to speak?
Was.
Was. Very good. Was. And what is the past form 2?
Where.
Were. Were. Okay. What
जी.
is the present participle? Who will speak? Yes, बताइए बताइए प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. मैंने बताया कैसे बनता है प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. बोलिए. यूसुफ, रूफा, शैलेंद्र, विनोद, रविंदर.
Where.
नो डियर. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. वर तो आपका पास्ट फॉर्म 2 हो गया. When we put
Being.
ing after
Being.
yes, being. Very good. Being. What is the past participle of be verb? Been. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the infinite form?
Be.
No. What I told you. When we put to before
To
the.
be.
Yes, to be. Very good. To be. Look, now 9 family member is, am, are, was, were, being, been, and to be. Take a screenshot of this family. This is also a very important family to frame the sentence for 4 golden rule. This will use in our first rule, first golden rule, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Yes.
Got it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Just
Yes,
for a
yes.
minute, just off your this PPT because I have to take the photo.
Okay.
Gallery view.
Just a minute. Yes. Yes.
Just close the PPT once.
Yeah, I have already closed here.
Make from your side gallery view.
Okay, just a minute. We are in gallery mode, dear.
It's not coming in gallery. Okay, you just then do one thing. You just print screen.
Let me do it.
Yes.
Yes, done. Yes, though. Now we are knowing about the 7 verb form, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can frame 7 type of sentences. Previously we knows about only 3 verb form, V1, V2, V3. So we can frame only 3 type of sentences. Got it?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we remake our neural path. Okay. We can frame 7 type of sentences. Yes. So what is visible on your screen? Surpass. What did surpass mean? कौन बताएगा surpass का meaning? Look, if someone has appeared in the 12th class exam, okay, her or his father is expecting he will get the 95%, but he got 98%, then he surpasses his father expectation. किसी की expectation से beyond जाना. Got it? Surpass meaning? Yes?
आगे निकलना.
Yes, very good. What is the past form 2 of surpass? Surpasses. What is the past form of surpass? Surpassed only. What is the
Surpass.
present participle of surpass?
Surpassing.
Very good. Surpassing. Well done. What is the past participle?
Past.
Surpassed. Very good. What is the infinite form of surpass?
To surpass.
वेरी गुड टू सरपास. आप लोगों को मतलब समझ में आ गया. आप लोग ध्यान दे रहे हैं तो जल्दी समझ में आएगा. लुक, अब मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि जब हमारा मदर वर्ब एंड प्रेजेंट फॉर्म 1 सेम है, ठीक है, सिमिलर है, फोटोकॉपी है, तो आप कैसे उसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे सेंटेंस में कि ये मदर वर्ब है या प्रेजेंट फॉर्म 1 है? कौन बताएगा? बताइए, किसी के पास है आंसर? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू, लेट मी शो यू.
He, she.
Who will read the sentence? Yes,
I
Vinod.
cook.
Yes,
I
I cook rice. कौन सा फॉर्म है ये कुक का?
Present.
present
प्रेजेंट.
form.
वेरी
Present.
गुड, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म. तो जो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म जो है वो अकेला सिंगल आता है सेंटेंस में. जब वर्ब सिंगल आता है तो इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट फॉर्म. आई कुक राइस. ओके, व्हाई इट इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म? बिकॉज इट इज सिंगल अलोन इन द सेंटेंस. It will take whole responsibility of the sentence. Okay, I cook rice. And what is this form of cook? I cooked rice. Past. Very good, very good. Past form. Okay, this is present form. Now let me show you. I could cook rice. I can cook rice. I shall cook rice. आप बताते हैं मैं आपको कैसे आप पहचानेंगे. जब हमारे पेरेंट्स ओल्डर हो जाते हैं तो उनको क्या चाहिए होता? सपोर्ट चाहिए होता. गॉट इट?
Yes,
यस,
ma'am.
दे नीड सपोर्ट. तो कौन सपोर्ट करता है? हम जैसे यंग लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं. यस. तो इन अ सेम वे हियर, after so many deliveries, mother verb is getting older. Then now she needs support. So who will support? All modal verb will support. All auxiliary verb will support her. So I could cook rice. I can cook rice. I shall cook rice. Here cook is a mother form of the verb. Yes, समझ में आया आप लोगों को?
Yeah.
कैसे पहचानेंगे सेंटेंस में हम कि ये मदर फॉर्म है या प्रेजेंट फॉर्म वन है?
मैम एक बार
समझ
फिर
में
बता
आया?
दीजिए.
देखिए, जब वर्ब जो है सिंगल आता है सेंटेंस में, आई कुक राइस, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
When the verb comes alone in the sentence, then it's a present form. And
Okay.
when verb comes with the supportive form, supportive verb, modal verb, then it's called mother form of the verb. I could cook rice, I can cook rice, I shall cook rice. All these are modal verb. Can, cook, could, shall,
Good.
should. All are modal verb, right? Auxiliary verb. Got it? Supporting verb. Yes, Yusuf?
Yes, ma'am.
Rupa, Ravinder, Vinod, Shailendra. Yes?
Yes.
When verb will come with supporting verb, auxiliary verb, then it's called mother form of the verb. Right? How we are differentiating? Difference between the present form and mother form? Yes, everyone? Yusuf, clear हुआ आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
विनोद, शैलेंद्र, रविंदर,
Yes.
ज्योति, रूपा. Yes. Who will tell me how you will differentiate past verb and past participle? Yes, Vinod, speak, dear. Let me show you my sentence. Yes. Which form of this verb? You cook rice. Yes, Vinod. Yusuf, Ravinder. Yes. This is a present verb. Okay. And this is a you cooked rice is a past verb. Okay. Now let me show you. You have cooked rice. You had cooked rice. You will have cooked rice. It is called past participle of the verb. You are right?
Yes, ma'am.
When it comes with auxiliary verb, supporting verb, then it's become past participle of the verb form. Okay? Yes,
Okay.
got it? Have, had, will have, all are auxiliary verb, helping verb. Got it? How we will differentiate? Yes, who will read this? Past verb is a single verb in the sentence. She made a toy. उसने खिलौना बनाया, पर लास्ट वीक में बनाया, लास्ट मंथ बनाया, लास्ट ईयर बनाया, पास्ट में बनाया. That is why it is a past verb, right? And
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
next? Past participle comes with helping verb or auxiliary verb. She has made a toy. उसने खिलौना बनाया, बनाने की क्रिया खत्म हो चुकी है, पर उसका इम्पैक्ट अभी तक है। शी हैज मेड अ टॉय, उसने अभी अभी खिलौना बनाया है, राइट? व्हेन वी विल
अरे
लर्न
यार,
tenses, then we will come to know about this form. She has made a toy. उसने अभी अभी खिलौना बनाया, उसका इम्पैक्ट अभी भी है। बन चुका है खिलौना, पर उसका इम्पैक्ट अभी भी है। It is called helping verb, has, auxiliary verb. Past participle comes with helping verb or auxiliary verb. Got it? Yes? Jyoti, Rupa, Shailendra, Vinod,
Yes, ma'am.
Ravinder, Yusuf. Yes. Now
Yes,
it's very
ma'am.
important here. The story begins of verb friendship. Please make a note. Please listen, pay attention here, right? So let me show you first friendship rule. What is written here? Who will read this? Friendship between be plus present participle. Okay, what is our first rule? Friendship between be plus present participle. Got it?
yes
हम
ma'am.
दोस्त बनाते हैं तो हर किसी को तो दोस्त नहीं बनाते हैं ना, हमारे कुछ लिमिटेड फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, गिने चुने फ्रेंड्स होते हैं। इन अ सेम वे वर्ब भी जो है पूरे सात फैमिली मेंबर या 9 बी फैमिली मेंबर कितने हैं हमारे पास? 9 है, राइट? तो इसमें भी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल जो है 9 के 9 से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करता है, कुछ सिलेक्टिव वर्ब फॉर्म से ही वो दोस्ती करता है। गॉट इट?
Yes ma'am.
यस। हाँ, friendship between be plus present participle. Make a note. This is our first rule. Whenever you see in the sentence is, am, are, was, were, after that you need to put ing form of the verb, present participle. She is going. I am writing. You are attending session. He was watching television. We were talking about IDQ. What I am doing, I am all using present participle after the is, am, are, was, were. Yes, note it down. What is our first rule? Friendship between be plus present participle. Let me show you another scheme. Yes, who will tell me what is our second rule? Yes, Yusuf.
Friendship
Rupa.
between have and past particular.
Past participle. Very good. When we will see have family member, have, has, had. ओके, जहां भी आप सेंटेंस में देखो हैव, हैज, हैड, उसके बाद आपको V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगाना, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द वर्ब फॉर्म, V3 फॉर्म, राइट? यू
Yes ma'am.
हैव डन, हैड डन, हैज डन। यस,
Yes
नोट इट
ma'am.
डाउन प्लीज। ठीक है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। Our second rule is friendship between have plus past participle. Got it?
Yes
Now
ma'am.
let me show you my another screen. Yes, who will read this? Yes, Vinod, are you there? Shailendra, please read this.
Friendship
Jyoti,
between do and mother form.
yes. Whenever you see in the sentence do family member, do, does, did, after that you need to put mother form only. Mother form क्या होता है बताइए? Play, sing, right? All these are
ing.
mother form, not ing, dear, mother form, base verb, root verb, right?
Yes ma'am.
So our third rule is friendship between do plus mother form. Now let me show you my last friendship rule. Friendship between modal verb and mother verb. मॉडल वर्ब कितने होते हैं? 10 मॉडल वर्ब होते हैं। मेरे पीछे बोलिए, विल, वुड, शैल, शुड, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, must, ought to. How many modal verbs are here? Will, would,
Very
shall,
good.
should,
Good.
can,
Said. Good.
could,
Can.
may,
Could. May.
might,
Must.
must,
Must.
ought to.
Ought to.
जब भी आप मॉडल वर्ब, ये 10 मॉडल वर्ब सेंटेंस में देखेंगे, उसके बाद आपको मदर फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगाना है। विल पे, प्ले, वुड प्ले, शैल प्ले, शुड प्ले, कैन प्ले, कुड प्ले, मे प्ले, माइट प्ले, मस्ट प्ले, राइट? Only mother form of the verb will come after the modal verb. So our fourth rule is friendship between modal verb and mother verb. How many rules we have been learning? 4 rules, 4 golden rules. Yes. What is our first rule? Friendship between be plus present participle. Got it? It is called be prepa rule. Note it down, please. What is our first rule? Be prepa rule. Friendship between be plus present participle. Is MR was वर्ग के बाद आपको ing फॉर्म लगाना है. Now let me show you the example. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप लोग अपने आप सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर लेंगे यदि आपने ये पढ़ लिया तो. आपको टेंस भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Got it? Yes, let me show you the example. Yes, who will read this? Vinod, Jyoti, Ravinder, Yusuf. Who will read this? Rupa. Yes, dear, read it. Who will read this sentence?
I am
Yes,
going
Jyoti. Yes, I am going to temple. How many verb are here? पहले तो ये नोट कर लीजिए, आपको किसी भी वर्ब को हटाना नहीं है सेंटेंस से. कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्ब आपको ऐड नहीं करना है सेंटेंस से. ठीक है? आपको अपना फर्स्ट वर्ब पहचानना है, उसके बाद आपको आपका 4 गोल्डन रूल अप्लाई करना है. आपका सेंटेंस एकदम करेक्ट हो जाएगा, 100% करेक्ट हो जाएगा. राइट? क्या बताया मैंने? You need not to put any extra verb. You need not to remove any verb from the sentence. Only you identify your first verb in the sentence, then you put 4 golden rules. Then you will frame your sentence yourself. You can correct your sentence yourself. Got it? Yes, dear. Rupa,
Yes.
Jyoti,
Yes, ma'am.
Yusuf, Vinod, Ravindra, Shailendra.
Yes,
Yes. So how many verb in the sentence? I am going to temple. बताइए कितने वर्ब हैं इसमें? Yes, Jyoti. You want to speak, dear? How many verb are here?
1.
No, dear. Here are 2 verb. Am and going. Okay. First verb which family member? कौन बताएगा ये?
Present participle.
Sorry.
Present participle.
No, dear. No, dear. Be family member है ना? Is, am, are, was, were, being, been, and to be. 9
Going.
family member हमने पढ़ा है ना? So am is a which family member? B family member. So what our first rule say? Be friendship between B plus present participle. So our first verb is from which family member? B verb. After B family, what we need to put? Yes, Yusuf, Jyoti, Ravindra, Vinod, Shailendra, Rupa. क्या है हमारा फर्स्ट रूल? बी वर्ब के बाद हमको क्या लगाना है? आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द
ING.
वर्ब. तो गोइंग इज द आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो दिस बॉन्ड इज राइट बॉन्ड. फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन एम एंड गोइंग इज अ राइट बॉन्ड. दिस सेंटेंस इज right fit.
Present
This
participle.
sentence is grammatically correct. I am going to temple, right? Please note it down. Please note it down. This is our first rule. Friendship between be plus present participle. It is called be prepa rule. Okay? Now let me show you another example. This sentence is grammatically correct. Yes, who will read this sentence?
They
Jyoti.
were talk about me.
They were talked about me. Yes, how many verb are here, dear?
2.
Very good, very good. First verb is which family member?
Bear. Bear.
Which family member, dear? Which family member?
Uh,
अभी मैंने बोला था ना, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. 3
Yes,
फैमिली
ma'am.
पढ़ाई है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. डू फैमिली. ये एक चीज ध्यान रखिए, डू फैमिली मेंबर डू के ही जैसे दिखते हैं, सब डी से स्टार्ट होते हैं. हैव फैमिली मेंबर हैव के जैसे दिखते हैं, सब एच से स्टार्ट होते हैं. तो ये कौन सा किस फैमिली का मेंबर है ये वर्ब?
B का.
Very
B.
good. B family member. So what our first rule says? Be prepa rule. After the B verb, what we need to put? Present participle of the verb.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
talked is a present participle. Yes, कौन बताएगा? Present participle क्या है बताइए? ING form of the verb है ना, यहाँ पे talked ING है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Talked is a present participle? No. So what is the present participle of talk? Who will tell me,
Past
Jyoti?
participle.
Sorry?
Past participle. Past participle.
डियर ये तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है, पर हमारा रूल क्या कहता है? बी प्रेपर रूल, आफ्टर द बी वर्ब व्हाट वी नीड टू पुट? आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. तो this friendship is, this bond is wrong, this sentence is wrong fit, this sentence is grammatically wrong. What is the right fit? Who will tell me?
Present
This-
participle.
Yes, present participle. So what is? Talking is a present participle of the talk verb. So what is right verb?
They were talking about me.
Yes, dear. They were talking about me is the right fit. Grammatically
Yes,
correct. This is grammatically wrong. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
wrong sentence. Yes?
Yes,
समझ में
ma'am.
आ रहा है आप लोगों को कैसे रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको फर्स्ट वर्ब पहचानना, उसके बाद अपना फ्रेंडशिप रूल लगा देना, आपका सेंटेंस करेक्ट हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. नाउ व्हाट इज अवर सेकंड रूल? देखो मैं रूल बता के आपको एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, उसके बाद भी आप लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं. व्हाट इज अवर सेकंड रूल? have plus past participle. It is called have papa rule. Note it down. Have
Yes,
papa
ma'am.
rule. ये आपके दिमाग में बैठाने के लिए. बी प्रेपा, फर्स्ट रूल इज अ बी प्रेपा, फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन बी प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. सेकंड
जी.
रूल इज फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन हैव प्लस पास्ट
Past
पार्टिसिपल. इट इज
participle.
कॉल्ड हैव पापा रूल. यस, सेकंड
Yes,
रूल
ma'am.
इज अ हैव पापा रूल. So whenever you see in the sentence have, has, had, after that you need to put past participle, V3 form of the verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me show. Yes, who will read the sentence?
I have been working in Tata Steel.
Yes, very good. How many verb are here, dear?
Have is present form.
Yes, dear, you are right. But let me know first how many verb are here in this sentence.
In one.
No, dear.
Two.
Have been and working.
Yeah.
Three verb are here.
Yes, I have been.
पहले वर्ब पहचानना है ना, वर्ब पहचानना कितने वर्ब हैं. तो हमारे 3 वर्ब हैं, तो इसमें कितने फ्रेंडशिप रूल अप्लाई होंगे? 2 अप्लाई होंगे.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आप बताइए, आपने एकदम सच बोला है कि हैव इज अ व्हाट? हैव फैमिली मेंबर, राइट?
Have family member.
आफ्टर
Yes.
हैव फैमिली मेंबर व्हाट एवर रूल सेज, हैव पापा रूल, व्हाट वी नीड टू पुट? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द वर्ब. तो बीन इज अ
Yes.
पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द बी वर्ब. आपने नोट किया है ना? बी फैमिली मेंबर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बीन है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बीन इज अ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. तो फर्स्ट बॉन्ड इज राइट बॉन्ड, फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन हैव प्लस बीन. आफ्टर द बी फैमिली मेंबर व्हाट एवर रूल सेज, बी प्रेपर रूल. फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन बीन प्लस वर्किंग इज अ राइट बॉन्ड. Who will tell me? Whatever first rule says, B prepar rule. After the B family, what we need to put?
I have been. Is correct. I have been working in Tata Steel.
Yes, very good, dear. To speak about it, after the B verb, we need to put ing form of the verb. So working is ing form.
Yes,
so this
ma'am.
bond is, second bond is also correct. This
Correct.
sentence is grammatically right, and this sentence is right fit. Okay?
Yes,
Friendship
ma'am.
between B plus present participle. आपको रूल में बताते जा रही हूँ. फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन बी प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. सेकेंड रूल प्रेजेंट फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन हैव प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, हैव पापा रूल. तो दिस सेंटेंस इज राइट फिट. दिस इज ग्रामेटिकली राइट, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will read this? Yes, Jyoti. Dear, read it.
I have going to temple.
Yes. How many verb are here?
2.
Yes, very good, very good. First verb is which family member?
B plus verb.
No, dear, no, dear. Have is a which family member? आपको मैंने 3 family.
Papa rule.
Yes, dear, but have is a which family member? Have family member, right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो have family member rule क्या कहता है? Have plus past participle, right?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
कैसा past participle? Go का past participle क्या है?
Going.
Going नहीं है, going तो present participle है.
I have gone.
Very good. I have gone to temple is a right fit. This bond is a wrong bond. This fit is a wrong fit. This sentence is grammatically wrong.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have gone to temple is a right fit, right answer. Right? I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
going to temple is a wrong sentence. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया यूसुफ, ज्योति, रविंदर, शैलेंद्र,
yes,
Yes.
yes.
विनोद, रूपा, कैसे हम सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं? I have gone to temple is a right sentence. This is grammatically correct. कैसे हम रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं मैं आपको इतने अच्छे से बता रही हूँ. फर्स्ट रूल इज अ बी प्रेपा रूल, बी प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. सेकेंड रूल इज अ हैव पापा रूल, हैव प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. आपको मैंने फैमिलीज भी बताई, डू फैमिली, हैव फैमिली, ये भी बता दिया. डू फैमिली मेंबर डी से स्टार्ट होते हैं, हैव फैमिली मेंबर एच से स्टार्ट होते हैं. फिर आपको कहाँ कंफ्यूजन है? एक्सेप्शन वर्ब क्या है? बी है ओनली. बी में सारे फैमिली मेंबर अलग अलग है, तो आपको कहाँ कंफ्यूजन है? आपको रूल फटाफट लगाना चाहिए. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
I have gone to temple is a right fit, right, grammatically correct answer. Yes, what is our third rule? Who will read this? Friendship between do plus mother form.
Mother form.
Okay, whenever you see do family member, do, does, did in the sentence, after that you need to put only mother form of the verb, right? Base verb, root verb. I told you all, give you all the example. Yes, who will read the sentence? Yes, Jyoti, would you like to speak?
I did not went to temple.
Yes, how many verb are here, dear? Two verb are here, right? First verb is a which family member?
Do
Past.
family member.
Do
Past
family
perfect.
member. Very
Do-
good.
do
What your
family
rule
member.
says? अभी मैंने rule बताया, third rule, domo rule.
Do
It is
plus
called domo
mother
rule.
form.
Yes, so went is the mother form of the verb.
Go.
Yes, very good, dear. Very good. So after I did not went to temple is a wrong bond. This fit is a wrong fit. This sentence is grammatically wrong. What is right fit, Jyoti?
I do not go to
No,
temple.
I did not go to temple, dear.
I,
What our rule says, after the do verb, you need to put mother form of the verb. तो ये past verb है, right? तो ये sentence जो है grammatically wrong है. What is right
Wrong.
fit? I did not go to
I
temple.
did not go to temple.
अब आपको rule समझ में आया?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
rule be
Yes.
prepa rule, second rule have papa rule, third rule is a domo rule, do plus mother verb. Note it down, dear. Make a note so you will go through with the note, then you will not do any mistake, right? Yes, let me show you another example. Yes, Yusuf, read it.
My father did not gift me on my birthday.
Very good, dear. How many verb are here?
One, ma'am.
No, dear. Two
My
verb.
father
Did and
did not.
gift. Did and gift. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did is a which family member?
Do family member.
Very good. So after do family member, whatever domo rule says, do plus
My father.
mother verb of the mother form of the verb.
Mother
So gift
form.
is a mother form of the verb, right?
Yeah.
So this bond is right bond. This fit is a grammatically right fit, and this sentence is grammatically correct. My
Correct.
father did not gift me on my birthday.
Birthday.
समझ में आया domo rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me show you another example. Yes, Jyoti, this is our fourth rule and last rule. Friendship between modal verb and mother form of the verb. How many modal form I have told you? 10 modal verb, right? Will,
Yes.
will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, and ought to, right? 10 modal verb are here. Whenever you see in the sentence all these modal verb, after that you need to mother form of the verb, right? Yes, Jyoti, read it. Jyoti, Rupa, Yusuf, Shailendra, Vinod.
I should go to temple.
Yes. So
I should
how
go
many
to
verb
temple.
are here? How many verb are here?
2, ma'am.
Very good. Very good,
Two.
Yusuf. Very well done. So should is the first verb. So if this is which family member? Yusuf,
Yes,
should
ma'am.
is which family member?
Model
Model verb.
verbs 4.
Yes, after model verb, what we need to put? Whatever rule says, Momo rule. Mother form of the verb. Model
Mother
Yes, ma'am.
Momo rule, right? Mother form. Model verb, mother form. Model verb, mother form, right? So, go is a mother verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Jyoti, yes.
Yes.
So this bond is right bond. This fit is a right fit. This
Yes.
sentence is grammatically
Correct.
correct. I should go to
Go to
temple.
the temple.
अगर इसी जगह went होता या gone होता तो वो wrong हो
Wrong.
जाता क्योंकि वो mother verb नहीं है. समझ में आ गया? मॉडल वर्ब के बाद आपको मदर फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगाना है तो आपका मोमो रूल अप्लाई होगा. मॉडल वर्ब प्लस मदर वर्ब एंड सेंटेंस आपका करेक्ट हो जाएगा. यस
Yes, ma'am.
ज्योति, यूसुफ,
Yes, ma'am.
रविंदर, शैलेंद्र, विनोद.
Yes.
Yes, who will read the sentence?
I will have been sung a
Very
song.
good. Very good, Yusuf. How many verb are here, dear?
3, ma'am.
No, dear.
No,
Read
4.
again. Yes, very good. 4 verb are here. So first verb is which family member? अभी मैंने
Ma'am,
आपको बताया है.
mother form.
Model verb
Yes,
भी है.
model verb.
10
Yes.
model verb है ना. Will, would, shall, should, can, could.
Ye-
So
yes.
after model verb, what we need to put? Momo rule.
I will
Mother
have.
form of the verb. So have is the mother form of the verb. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Have family member हमने पढ़ा था ना. First verb mother verb. फिर present form mother. Have is a have only. Right. So have is the
Yes, ma'am.
mother form of the verb. So first bond is correct. Right.
Correct.
Friendship between will and have. And after have family, what our rule says? Second rule. Have papa rule.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our rule? Have plus past participle.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
been is a past participle.
Had.
Be family member. No, dear. Been is the past participle of be verb. Be family पढ़ी ना आपने. Be verb family.
Yes, ma'am.
So been is a past participle of be verb, right?
Been.
Yes. So this bond is
This is
also correct.
correct.
Second bond is also correct. Second friendship bond. And after the B family, what we need to put? What our first rule says? Friendship between B plus present participle.
Yes,
B
ma'am.
prepa rule. First rule is B prepa rule. So sung is a present participle of the sing.
Sing song.
Jyoti. Yes, Yusuf.
I have been sing a song.
No, dear. Sing is a present verb.
Third form.
Singing a song.
Present participle. Present participle.
I
What is
am
present part? Yes, ing form. So sung
singing.
is a ing form.
This
I
is singing.
Sing a song.
Yes, singing. So our third bond is wrong bond. So whole sentence is wrong.
Wrong.
What is right sentence?
I
will
have been
have been
singing a song.
singing a song is the right fit. And this sentence is grammatically wrong. This bond is wrong bond. देखो एक फ्रेंडशिप रूल गलत हुआ, पूरा सेंटेंस गलत हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है कैसे हम रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं?
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
हम अपने सेंटेंस करेक्ट कर रहे हैं? इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि आपको एंड तक रहिए. 4 गोल्डन रूल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये आपको रूल अप्लाई करने में बहुत अच्छे से सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर लोगे आप लोग. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who will read the sentence?
He will have gone 3.
Yes.
There.
So what is how many verb are here?
3.
Yes, very good, Yusuf. Very well done, dear. So first verb is which family member?
Mm,
Momo rule, fourth rule. Model
Yes.
verb,
Model verb.
mother form. Model verb, mother form. So after model verb, what we need to put? Mother form of the verb. So have is the mother form of the verb, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Jyoti. Yes. So this bond is right bond. After
Yes,
the
ma'am.
have, what we need to put? Have papa rule. Have past participle.
Past participle.
So gone is the past participle of go verb. V3 form of the verb, past participle. Yes.
He will
Yusuf?
have going there.
No, dear. What rule you are applying? Have Papa rule. Have
Have.
plus past participle.
Have plus.
First bond is a right bond. After a modal verb, we need to put mother form of the verb. So have is a mother verb. After have, what we need to put? Past participle. So gone is a past participle of the go verb. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Go went gone. भूल गए आप लोग, बचपन से पढ़ रहे हैं. Past participle of go verb, gone. V3 form of the verb. So this bond is also right bond, second bond. So this fit is a right fit. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Correct.
Yes, Yusuf, भूल रहे हो क्या आप? मेरे को
हाँ, मैम.
चारों रूल बताओ. कौन बताएगा? बताओ. फर्स्ट रूल, सेकंड रूल, थर्ड रूल, फोर्थ रूल. कौन बताएगा? बताओ. यस शैलेंद्र जी, कैन यू टेल मी? आपको समझ में आया शैलेंद्र जी? 4 गोल्डन रूल कैसे सेंटेंस फ्रेम करते हैं, कैसे रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं? यस यूसुफ, ज्योति, रविंदर, शैलेंद्र. यस ज्योति, आर यू देयर? यूसुफ
Yes,
बताइए.
ma'am.
चारों रूल बताइए फटाफट. फर्स्ट रूल क्या है आपका? फर्स्ट रूल इज अ बी प्रेपा रूल.
जी, मैम.
Be plus present participle.
Yes. Second rule is a have papa rule. Have plus past participle.
Have plus participle. Past
आप
participle.
लोगों को इसलिए ये बताया जा रहा है शॉर्ट फॉर्म, ताकि आपके दिमाग में घुस जाए, आपको याद ना करना पड़े. बी
Yes,
प्रेपा, हैव पापा, डोमो, मोमो, 4 रूल हैं आपके. डू प्लस मदर वर्ब, मॉडल वर्ब प्लस मदर वर्ब. गॉट इट?
Yes,
बी
ma'am.
प्रेपा, हैव पापा, डोमो, मोमो, 4 रूल हैं आपके पास. वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी, वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. आप अपने सेंटेंस खुद करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, खुद फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. आपको किसी की जरूरत नहीं है सेंटेंस करेक्ट करने में. यस, गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया अब कैसे हमने रूल अप्लाई किया, कैसे सेंटेंस करेक्ट किया? यस ज्योति, आर यू गेटिंग डियर?
Yes.
नाउ यू नीड टू डू प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. यस.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कैसा लगा आप लोगों को सेशन, बताइए.
बहुत बढ़िया मैम.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
अब मैं
बहुत
आप लोगों
अच्छा.
को असाइनमेंट दूंगी, तो आपको ये 4 गोल्डन रूल अप्लाई करके तो वो असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है.
Okay,
समझ
ma'am.
गए यूसुफ?
Okay, ma'am.
शैलेंद्र,
यस मैम.
विनोद, रविंदर, आर यू देयर? रूपा,
यस मैम.
आप समझ में आ गया? आपको 4 गोल्डन रूल समझ में आया, कैसे आपने अप्लाई किया रूल?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया ना? अब आप लोगों को असाइनमेंट करना है रूल अप्लाई करके, 4 गोल्डन रूल. आप लोगों को अब किसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, आप अपने सेंटेंस खुद फ्रेम कर सकते हैं, खुद करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. तो हाउ वाज द सेशन?
It's good, ma'am.
So tomorrow we are meeting. Have you all given your that numbers?
Yes,
Time?
ma'am.
Time?
Yes, already, ma'am.
Yes. तो आप लोग जब भी अपना असाइनमेंट सबमिट करेंगे, उसमें अपना नाम जरूर लिखना है आपको.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है?
मैडम विच प्लेस सेंड?
I will send in the group. I will send in the group homework. Antra, are you there, dear? Tomorrow we are meeting for one-on-one, and tomorrow is the last day of your workshop. So tomorrow is your neuroscience session. This is also very amazing session. It will take by Subhash Karthik sir. So you will enjoy more and more, and you will build your confidence more tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अटेंड करिए, फिर हम लोग कल मिलते हैं, फिर हम और बात करेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
अपना फीडबैक शेयर करिए. मैं ग्रुप ओपन करूंगी, तो आप लोग अपना फीडबैक शेयर करिए ग्रुप में, और असाइनमेंट दूंगी तो आप लोगों को असाइनमेंट करना है. राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
तो आर यू देयर अंतरा? अंतरा, हेलो डियर, कैन आई, हेलो,
Yes,
कैन
ma'am.
आई एंड द सेशन डियर?
Like I would like to just say about the assignments. Okay,
Yes,
like
I
each one
I
of
have-
you
Yes, I have given. I am sharing
Yes,
this.
like please to submit the this assignments and all. If you submit both the assignments, you will get the certificates also, and you'll feel good
Yes.
about it, right?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
you have participated in a workshop and you have got something from the workshop. Just take out your 1 or 2 minutes just for the
बहुत
video.
अमेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, आप लोग बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे, बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे यदि आप लोग आगे जाते हैं तो.
Yes, ma'am.
Or जो 399 you have
Okay,
seen
ma'am.
that. All right, the 399 price. If you want to, it is not compulsory. अगर आपको रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह चाहिए और बोनसेस चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हो.
ग्रुप में
VIP जो
देखिए
है,
मैंने असाइनमेंट शेयर कर दिया आप लोगों का,
ठीक
ठीक
है,
है.
399 वाला वो आपकी मर्जी है.
और मैं ग्रुप ओपन कर रही हूँ, अपने अपने फीडबैक दे दीजिए प्लीज. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस डियर. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यस, आर यू ऑल गेटिंग मी?
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
ओके
Yes.
डियर, so shall I call it a day, Antara?
Yes, surely.
Everyone, thank you for joining. Thank you for learning.
Yes, thank you for the
Thank you.
active
Thank you so much,
participation.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good night.
Thank
Bye.
you, dear. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Bye, 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 Antara. Bye.
Bye, bye.